friends, in today's lecture we are going to discuss a new concept, VFD drives. So VFD stands for variable frequency drives. So in that introduction of VFD drives, VFD is the shorthand for variable frequency drive, also known as AC drives, that's used to make an AC motor working in variable speed. Or in other words, a VFD is a type of motor controller that drives an electric motor by varying the frequency and voltage of its power supply. The VFD also has the capacity to control ramp up and ramp down of motor during start and stop. So this animation shows application of VFD drive for the packing of bottle on belt drive. Okay, and this animation shows how inverter work or how variable frequency drive works. So in that VFD drive, there are three types of VFD drive: VSI, CSI and PWM. These are the three types of VFD drive. So VSI stands for voltage source inverter. This is the most common type of VFD. Okay, VSI. VSI stands for voltage source inverter. Then second type of VFD is the CSI. So CSI stands for current source inverter. And PWM, this is the third type of VFD. PWM stands for pulse width modulation. PWM is the scalar controller. So these are the three types of VFD drives. So in that VFD drives, a VFD drive is a type of motor controller that drives an electric motor by varying frequency and voltage supply to electric motor. A variable frequency drive is the adjustable speed drive. VFDs are available in number of different low and medium voltage AC/AC or DC/AC topologies. So other names for VFDs are variable speed drive, adjustable speed drive, adjustable frequency drive, AC drive, then micro drive and inverter. These are the different names or other names of VFD drive: speed drive, adjustable speed drive, then adjustable frequency drive, AC drive, micro drive and inverter. Then working principle of VFD drive. VFD drive consists of, or in that working principle of VFD drive, the two main features of VFD are adjustable speed and start and stop capabilities. These two features make VFD or VFDs a powerful controller to control AC motor. So VFD consists mainly four section. Okay, VFD consists mainly four section. So first, rectifier. Okay, means VFD consists mainly four sections. Those are rectifier, then intermediate DC link, inverter and controlling circuit. So in that rectifier, it is the first stage of, or rectifier is the first stage of VFD. It converts AC power, or it converts AC power fed from the main to DC power. Okay, AC power fed or AC power fed from main to DC power, then DC bar or DC bus. So these are the different DC bus. So DC power from the rectifier section is fed to the DC link. This section consists of capacitors and inductors to smooth against ripples. Then next is the inverter. Okay, next section is the inverter. This section consists electronic switches like transistor, thyristor, IGBTs, etc. It receives DC power DC power from DC link and converts into AC, which is delivered to motor. Means output of rectifier or output of inverter is the AC. Means it receives DC power from the DC link, okay, and convert into AC, which is delivered to motor. So in that working principle, the first stage is the variable frequency AC drive or VFD is the converter. The VFD DC bus has DC voltage with an AC ripples. We can get rid of the AC ripples on the DC bus by adding capacitor. Now the inverter converts the DC back to AC required frequency, means DC bus into AC. So this is the simply working principle of VFD drives. Then different advantages of VFD drive. So first advantage, effective starting and braking of motor. This is a very important advantage of VFD drive. Effective starting and braking of motor, effective speed control over wide range, okay, match two load profiles, then enhance overload capability of the motor, then provide additional protection to motor, and last is the improve source power factor. Okay, so these are the different advantages of VFD drive. Then different applications, okay, applications of VFD drive. So first application of VFD drive, swimming pool filtration system. Means generally VFD drives are used for swimming pool filtration system. Then second application, virtual vibration testing in railway. Okay, means VFD drives are generally used for virtual vibration testing in railway section. And third, in booster pumps. Okay, means generally VFD drives are used in booster pumps. So these are the different applications of VFD drive. Okay, so in that working principle, the two main features of VFDs are adjustable speed and start stop capabilities. These two features makes VFD a powerful controller to control AC motor. Okay, means this figure shows overall control or overall working principle of VFD drives. Okay, and other names of VFD drives: adjustable speed drive, adjustable frequency drive, AC drive, micro drive, and inverter. So this animation shows application of VFD drive in manufacturing sector. Okay, and this animation shows how inverter work, okay, or how VFD drives are work. So variable frequency drive is the adjustable speed drive, or in that working principle, it consists of, or VFD consists mainly four sections. Those are rectifier, intermediate, DC link, inverter, and controller. Okay, means it consists of four sections. First is the rectifier, okay, rectifier, intermediate, DC link, okay, then inverter and controlling circuit. So first, rectifier, it is the first stage of the VFD drive, converts AC power fed from the main DC power. Okay, AC power fed to main DC power. Then DC bus or DC bus, DC power from the rectifier section is fed to the DC link. This section consists of capacitors and inductors to smooth against ripples. Okay, then third important or third basic component is the inverter. This section consists of electronic switches like transistor, thyristor, IGBTs, etc. It receives DC power from DC link and convert into AC, which is delivered to DC motor. Okay, so this is the simply working principle of VFD drives. Okay, and different advantages, application of VFD drives. Okay, and VFD drive or variable frequency drive is the type of motor controller that drives an electric motor by varying the frequency and voltage supply to the electric motor. And in that application of VFD drive, VFD drives generally used in swimming pool filtration system, then virtual vibration testing in railway or in railway system, and third in booster pump. So these are the different applications, advantages and disadvantages of VFD drive with working principle and construction.